Good day, I am Professor Wanda Markotter and I am pleased to extend a warm invitation to you to join us for Africa Week 2025, hosted by the University of Pretoria's Future Africa platform. Africa Week is our biannual African Science Leadership Summit, and in 2025 we'll be engaging with one of the most urgent and complex themes of our time: global security, global Africa. From 25 to 30 May, Africa Week will provide a space for reflection, dialogue and action where leaders in science, policy and society come together to address global security challenges through an African lens. The main summit program from 26 to 27 May will explore 4 powerful guiding questions. Where are we at? What is at stake? What will it take? And what about Africa? These will be unpacked through high-level plenary sessions and panel discussions, including the Future Africa Global Lecture. But the conversation doesn't end there. From 28 to 30 May, we'll host strategic side events and parallel sessions to examine the critical issues shaping Africa's future, from climate action and justice to science, security and sustainability. Together we seek to broaden the understanding of global security beyond its traditional military focus, revealing its many dimensions, from pandemics and digital threats to environmental degradation and economic instability, while placing a spotlight on Africa's vital role in shaping effective, inclusive solutions. Join us as we collectively imagine a more secure, just and sustainable world. To learn more, visit our website. We look forward to welcoming you.